Okay guys, you asked for it, so here's an unboxing of inventory from my boutique. First thing I do whenever I get new inventory is open it up to check it over for quantity and damage. This cardigan is one I'm launching next week, so I got a ton of them, so this box is the same exact thing. These last two boxes came a couple days early, so that's always a plus. They are a restock of our Sonic cardigan, which sold out within 2 days last time. All that's left to do is get them on the website so you guys can shop.
Get access to the best clothing vendors in the game, the toppest of the toppest when it comes to boutique clothing, whatever styles you're looking for, whether it's trendy, modest, active, party wear, special occasion, whatever it is that you're looking for, it is on the #1 boutique list. And the #1 boutique list also comes with tag vendors, packaging vendors, and shoe vendors. Listen. Get access to the toppest of the toppest in the clothing market. Get access to their vendors. All you have to do is visit www.sisstartthebiz.co to grab the #1 boutique vendor list, and you will get access to all of these fabulous pieces, great customer service, top quality clothing, and the best prices in the game. Do not walk, run. The #1 boutique vendor list is 50% off. Baby, that never happens. Visit www.sisstartthebiz.co to grab the #1 boutique vendor list. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a DM.
Unboxing our stock bags from China with me.
Our stock bags from China just arrived. Okay, as you can see, I was so excited, so happy because I've been waiting so long for these bags, and then finally they are here. So let's get right into it. I unboxed, and then I was super excited because they were all as I expected them to be. Right? You know, I've been waiting for these bags for long. These are Hems bags. Yes, but then I have it in different colors and in different types also. You wouldn't believe the quality and then everything. Don't come to my DM and ask, is it original? Madam, stop. Okay, these are good, these are nice, these are pretty, and then the colors alone, oh my god, and the leather too also speaks for itself. So, as you can see, our supplier also gave us so many goodies to add to our bags. Okay, here are some scarf you could add to your hems. Okay, I opened 2 of them, and then I was so happy, I was so excited with the quality, the color, and then everything. Kindly check my next post because I'll be posting them with prices. Okay, don't miss out. Grab yours now. Thank you.
There are 3 things I'm going to advise you: learn a skill, buy a course, and improve your old skill. Learning how to buy from China was one of the best things that have happened to me this year. I learned that you can order anything apart from man from China. I got like a lot of stuff for my business, and I also got for people. I'll post it on my business, but I'll not post that here. But I just want to show you guys like what I got for my business. You can see like everything I got was even better. The qualities are insane. You can buy your kitchen utensils, your household item, perfumes, like literally anything, like name it, accessories, like literally, and they are so affordable. They are very affordable. Like nobody should fool you that you need like 500k, 700k before you can buy from China, import from China. With even 200k, with even 300k, you can buy a lot of things from there. Just that small. So I got this stuff for like my Christmas goods. Like, I was really excited because the items came exactly how I wanted it. And I'm going to put my business number here, my business page here, and also my snap for those of you that are on Snapchat, because there are a lot of beautiful things that I couldn't even put them all because of time. Like I got a lot of stuff. So don't be scared to take one-on-one class. Don't be scared to pay for a skill in case you want to improve. But also do a lot of findings because I really suffered before I even got like the right person to teach me. I paid for a lot of classes. Some people didn't even know what they were even doing, but at the end of the day, I was happy. I paid for one-on-one, though it was expensive, but it was worth it because look at me now. Like I was literally excited with everything I got. This is like one of the best things that happened to me. Like learning from China, like I get to buy anything. If I want to move to a new apartment now, even furniture I can import from China. Like you can get literally and they are so cheap. Like tell the amount of I got shoes. I'll say I'll post it on my business page. So when I tag my business page, you can go and check it because I'm making videos. I got a lot of stuff. So today I'll be posting new arrival on my Instagram, my WhatsApp, and my Snapchat. So I'm just going to put everything here. So just enjoy. So your Christmas clothes are ready. I have from size small to 4XL. I have a lot of things like beautiful stuffs that came in stock. I say Jesus. I was really, really happy. So don't be scared to pay for a course. Don't be scared to improve your skill. Don't be scared to have a skill. Like it's one of the best things that can help you in this economy, literally. So bye guys, in my next vlog. Mwah.
Starting a business at 25 is the wildest thing I've done, but today was a very exciting day because all of my packaging arrived. So I thought I'd bring you along with me whilst I opened everything up. So firstly, I'm opening up my mailer bags, which is what I'm going to ship all my knitwear in. This was a big moment and I was so excited to see everything. The background colour is a lot brighter than my brand's colour palette, but I thought for the first launch, I want to make an impact when people see the packaging. And also so it stands out in kind of like the post office so people notice it. I'm over the moon with it and I cannot wait for you all to see it in person. Next up, you might remember in my last video that I was working on these thank you notes to send out within the packages. So these have been designed much more within the colour palette that I previously showed in my other video. And it's just a small note to say thank you for being a part of the Gathered story if you do decide to buy a piece. Next up, we have the labels. So these are the cotton labels going on the pieces, and then we also have the swing tag, which will be attached to the knitwear as well. I'm so pleased with how everything turned out, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it when we...
Why these hair companies be charging an arm and a leg with no cute packaging? And baby, I'm talking about myself. I know my hair quality is T, but I had to upgrade the packaging to make sure it all adds up. I literally was so excited unboxing my new packaging and new accessories for my girls. And these aren't even going to be for sale. They're going to be for free, included in every order. To be honest, I know my hair is expensive, and I'm okay with that because if y'all want cheap, go to AliExpress. All the girls eat down on my quality, but I want to give my girls an experience every time they shop with us. So from even when you get the packaging, I want you to know this is a luxury experience.